Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can make $100 or more per day on YouTube by uploading free audio books. Yes guys, you can get these free audio books. The site I will show you in a minute, and then you can upload it back into YouTube and you can make money from it. You are not going to make money using AdSense and YouTube revenue. No, this is a different method. So if you want to learn about how you can make money and where you can get these audiobooks, continue to watch my videos. Before that, if you are new to my channels, press the subscribe button. Also don't forget to click that bell icon, and also if you like our videos, click the like button on the bottom of the video. So before I show you how you can set it up and where you can get those audiobook and how you can make money online, and I'm going to show an proof and an example. This website is called this YouTube channel is called Greatest Audiobooks. You can go and check it out. They have over 600,000 subscribers and getting around 30,000 views every single day. What they basically do, they upload free audiobook into the site. That's only the thing doing. You can see from here, 1 hour audiobook, 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, different audiobooks are uploaded here. Their target is audiobooks. They are not targeting specific niche. Just audiobooks is a niche, but inside that there is a different category, but they are generally targeting audiobooks. They are one of the YouTube channels started way back in the time, so they have a bigger channel, so you can compete with them. But I'm going to show you the way that you can get a little bit of traffic and make money out of it. You can see these are different audiobooks they uploaded. If we click one of them, this YouTube this video contains 8 hours of audiobooks, okay, and you have a 4,000 hour watch, 4,000 people watch this. So for example, say you upload similar audiobook into YouTube, and say for example the audiobook have 1 hour of watch time, and if 4,000 people watched it with the one video, you can achieve that 4,000 hour watch time. Guys, in a new YouTube channels, getting 4,000 hour watch time is a harder part than getting 1,000 subscribers. When you do that, you can still make money from YouTube revenue, but because you're uploading audiobook, people doesn't want advertisement played in the middle. You can put in the starting or you can put in the end, but you can't put in the middle. So the money you can make it from YouTube is very less or sometimes not. This YouTube channel doesn't make money from YouTube. So you can see, even though you click a couple of their audiobook, they never put advertisement on the audiobook. But how they make money? They make money through affiliate links. They have 3 affiliates, 2 of them Amazon and 1 of them is audiobooks.com. so they make money using putting these affiliate links. So when viewers click and buy or subscription audiobook, they make money out of it. But I'm not going to show you, this is one part of it, but this other part you can get a larger commission, so be sure to watch entire video. So I already download those audiobook and put it on my video editor here. Now I don't want, because this audiobook is different than other audiobooks because it is like a chapter 1, so I'm targeting self-help, motivations and mind related niche. So what I did is, instead of targeting big audiobook, instead of uploading whatever audiobook I target is specifically related to the self-help motivation niche. That's always, there's a market for that. So you can see this is my new YouTube channel. So what I did, I went to that website where I'm going to show you where you can get those free audiobooks. I download specifically related to the self-help motivations like that. So okay, I download one of those ebook that's related to self-help, but inside that inside the audiobook you have 99 chapters. Okay, there's a 99 smaller story. That's why what I did, instead of creating a big bulk of audiobook, it's gonna take lots of time to render and it's a big chunk of files. What I did, I'm gonna try it as chapter 1, 2, 3 for every single day. So because you don't have to do anything, download it, put it in your video editor and upload it to the YouTube. So this is the front cover. What is this audiobook about? Short sentences and the chapter 1. This after 1 minute later, this will play here. I will said, okay, you can get your ebook or self-help program in the link in the description, so viewers can click any of the link and buy those, and we get the money. So where you can get higher commissions, yes, you can make money using ClickBank affiliate offers. Inside that, go to marketplace, there's a section specifically for self-help and motivation. So that's why I said target specific and niche on audiobooks instead of going with audiobooks generally, because there's a lots of channels are doing it. Go with a specific target niche. So I will sign into account and show you what kind of offers that you can promote. Now inside the self-help, you can see there's a different programs are there, 45 and 42. So what I did is I went down here and there's a section called motivation and transformation, and you can see, because that is similar to the self-help, and you can see there's a first program I'm promoting that if a person buy this, I'm gonna make 248.59. likely it's very less chance to buy people to buy this amount of the program the first time. So that's why I'm promoting two of them. I will show you guys. There's a second program I promoted which is 4301. So every single sales I make 4301. So if I make it 2 sales, I make around $86, or 3 sales 86, around 130 dollars. So that's why I said you don't, because people are searching for free audiobook on YouTube. That's why these channels are getting thousands of views every single day. So you can see this channel all have over 65 million views and 924 videos. These videos are free, they don't have to do anything, just download and put it in the YouTube. So this is how I did it. So if I go to my YouTube channel, this is here, and I put the audiobook uploaded already, published it, and you can sort description about the audiobook. And now this is the affiliate offers. The first one is 30-day free audible trial. It's for Amazon. So if you can go here and you can go to the promotion and boundaries, and you can see Audible audiobooks. If you promote these offers, you can make £5, around $6 per eligible customer to take a free trial. Then the £8 or $10 per payable customer. So yes, you can make money from Amazon affiliate offers, but it is the commission paid are very less on Amazon. So that's why I am having a second affiliate offers, which is from ClickBank. There's a program 1 and a program 2. Now you don't expect to make a sales in the first video or second video. Upload a couple of the videos, couple of viewers come, they click, they never buy, some of them click, they buy. That's why this channel is so successful, because they have a 924 videos and 65.8 million views, guys. So if the couple of customers bought these affiliate offers, they make money every single day as a passive income. Once they set it up, these videos are bringing views. One of the viewers click and buy it, they get paid in commissions. Now where you can get these audiobooks, the website is called LibriVox.org. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. LibriVox.org is a public domain for audiobooks. You can download any audiobook here for free. So for example, I can say if I type health section, there's a couple of audiobooks out there. Just download it and put it in the YouTube and put the credit in the description. Credit it LibriVox. Now when you click download, you don't have to create any account. When you click download, each of the chapter comes with a different audio. So there is no combined just one audio. There's if the book have 10 chapters, then you have 10 audio files. Each audio file begin with LibriVox introduction. So what you have to do to keep the views in your video, cut that first part and join every single audio to make one big audio file. What this channel is doing, like 8 hours of audiobook, you can do that, or you can publish as a chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Is up to you guys. So basically what this idea is, you download free audiobooks from LibriVox, and then you use your video editor, put those videos and combine this video to make one audio file. Then what you have to do, upload this video file onto YouTube, create a new YouTube channel and specific niche YouTube for specific audiobooks. So don't just put audiobook and create channels. Target a specific niche like a health or fitness or something like that. Come up with a research the niche and find the niche that you want to promote, because then you can promote specific offers from ClickBank. So create a YouTube channel, upload that video, and what you have to do, put the affiliate link in the bottom. It would take 1 hour every single day to do that. Yes, you can publish one audiobook every single day. Just download, compile, publish, download, compile, publish, and you can make money as a passive income. Again, with 1 or 2, even 100 video, don't expect to make a couple of thousands every single month or a couple of 100 or 200 every single day. You need to first set it up. You need to get views, then you can make $100 per day. But this system definitely work. Thanks guys for watching. If you really like my videos, click that like button on the bottom of the video, and see you in next one.